Caves are Earth's natural time capsules, preserving ancient life and geological history. The world's longest known cave system is Mammoth Cave in Kentucky, stretching over 420 miles. Many caves form from acidic groundwater dissolving soluble rock like limestone, creating vast chambers. Caves are home to unique troglobites, creatures adapted to permanent darkness, often sightless. Lascaux Cave in France contains incredible prehistoric cave paintings over 17,000 years old. Some caves have stunning formations called stalactites, hanging from the ceiling, and stalagmites, growing from the floor. Glowworm caves, like those in Waitomo, New Zealand, are illuminated by bioluminescent larvae. Caves can be crucial sources of fresh water, acting as natural filtration systems. The Nica mine in Mexico contains massive selenite crystals, some over 39 feet long. Exploring caves or spelunking offers a glimpse into hidden underground worlds.